हेलो स्टूडेंट, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज का जो टॉपिक है अल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन एट स्कूल। टुडे आई विल टेल यू अबाउट दिस चैप्टर. This is the summary of this chapters. In this chapters there is a person whose name is Albert. Albert was a student. He was reading in this class. The history teacher said to Albert, history teacher's name was Brown. He asked Albert, when did the Persians defeated the French at Waterloo? This was a question. Albert told him that he did not know. The teacher said he had often told them. Albert said that he must have forgotten. In this way, the teacher irritated. He said to Albert, "Why?" Albert replied that he did not see point in learning dates. One could learn about them from books. Ideas are more important than facts and figures. The teacher thought that Albert did not believe in education. He talked in a sarcastic manner. Albert told him that learning facts are not education. The teacher said that Albert was a disgrace to be there. Albert felt miserable when he left school that afternoon. He did not like this school. He would have come to it again. He lived a small place and in a small room. It was one of the poorest quarter of Munich. The landlady beat her children regularly. Her husband came every Saturday. He drank in the evening. Then he beat her per day, every Saturday. He did not like the children crying every time. He told these things to Yuri because Yuri was the fast friend. He hated the atmosphere of slum violence. Next day, his cousin Elsa came to Munich to meet him. She said to Albert, you should try to pass in the examination. But Albert said, this is the main problem, so I do not learn the dates and facts. She said that there are a lot of boys who are stupid and they may pass. He said he had not to understand what he is taught. He should merely repeat in the examination. It is man difficult to find. Elsa said, There are lot of students who are not good, but they passed. Albert said to Elsa, I like music as it gave him comfort. He also liked geography. Albert did not like to remain in school. He met Yuri after 6 months. He had an idea. He told Yuri that he needed a medical certificate. It should state that he suffered from a nervous breakdown. Then I could get rid of school. He asked Yuri if he had a doctor friend. Yuri told him that he knew Dr. Ernest Weil. Dr. Ernest Weil is a student. That was student at present time. He is a doctor, but he is a fresher. Then he had really come near a nervous breakdown. After some times, doctor came and they met to doctor. Dr. Ernest issued him the certificate. Albert told to doctors about future plan. He would go to Milan. He hoped to get admission in an Italian college or institutions. It was possible from the comment of the mathematics teacher, Mr. Koch. Mathematics teacher was a different man. He understood about Albert. He gave a glowing testimonial to him. After that, the head teacher summoned Albert to his room. He wanted Albert to leave then school. Albert asked why it was so. He asked if he should think he was to be expelled. Then the head teacher told him that if he went of his own accord, that questions did not arise. The head teacher gave several reasons for his asking him to leave the school. Albert's presence made it impossible for the teacher to teach the pupils to learn. He rebelled and no serious work would be done while he was there. Albert felt that the medical certificate was useless. Albert wished to tell him what he thought of him and the school, but he did not. He went out to the room. Okay, student, this is the summary of this chapter.